Alright, so now we're at Van Dam Beach. I'm gonna turn around, go see how Justin's doing. We're gonna go check out some caves. There he comes. Alright.
Get out!
Yep.
There's hell with kelp out here.
Yeah. Alright. So we're about ready to go into the cave here. I'll turn you around so you can check it out.
Here we are on location. It's at a bat cave, California.
Oh, I forgot my helmet.
How do we get out of here?
You go straight through.
What?
You go straight through.
I'm scared.
Woo! Yeah.
I don't like this.
No. Go back. Whoa.
Watch out.
Okay. Stop. Can you swim out? Can you swim? Yeah. Just keep swimming that way. Whoa. There, grab onto here, hold on to the kayak. Just hold on to the kayak. All right, here we go. Here, can you grab the kayak?
That was exhilarating.
Was that scary?
Yes. So folks, what we have there was a typical case of a novice trying to go big or go home. A little cold. Water about 54 degrees. How the fuck are we gonna get back here?
Here, you can take the kayak and then you should be able to dump it out up there, and then you can get back in.
There's some really sharp rocks down there.
I know.
That hurt my shins bad.
What happens? You get sideways and it just flips over?
Yeah, I tried to back up into there, head up.
Alright. Alright. So if I get you the kayak, here, what we'll do, can you swim?
I have to.
I wonder if I can get the water out of it. Hey, I got,
Hey Josh,
yeah. What? Are you gonna climb out?
how far do you think it is?
I don't know. That's pretty far. Here, I'll just get you the kayak.
What?
Do you still have the paddle? I'll see if I can get the kayak. We'll put it on the rock, and then you can just come in.
I've seen shit like this on
Here. Grab it and pull it. Oh.
Uh-oh. Hey, don't yours, trying to get mine.
Here, hold on to this.
My adrenaline definitely got pumping right there.
Ready?
Yeah. Watch out, John.
Okay, can you pull it all the way up? Can you get in it up there?
What?
Can you get in it? All right, hold there. Stay there for a second. I'll be right back. Hey, you might be able to climb up over there and come down. It's pretty steep though.
I'd rather try that than get back in right here.
Okay. Woo, shit.
Yeah, that's pretty gnarly in there.
Go ahead and push it out toward me. Yeah, go for it. All right. Woo!
Let's go.
Yeah. I'll see you on the other side. You can't climb up? You want to try this? Hey, I have another idea. That's gonna be tough. I don't know if you can sit on the back of mine. I'm gonna back up to that rock. You can straddle the back with your paddle, and then I'll paddle over there to that kayak. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna go right in there. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready to ever be?
Don't try this at home. All right. You might have to guide me back a little bit.
What?
You might have to guide me back a little. This one. I don't want to go in there. Hold on. Go. Oh. Oh shit. All right, use your paddle, use your paddle. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. All right, we got a shitload of water. Oh. Okay. Go.